The new trend lately is getting healthy and feeling good about yourself. When it comes right down to it, the best way to do that is going to be through exercise and healthy eating. It is not a healthy idea to think that diet pills and supplements will solve all over your problems. These pills hold no magic at all and will only take up your hard-earned money. Eating vegetables and living a healthy life is what will actually make a difference in your life. And if you are watching Rich Flava for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell button to get all our updates. There are so many ways that you can get healthy right now, and most of them are very simple. We learned as children about the food pyramid and eating healthy. Instead of the vegetables, grains, and fruits that we need to eat each day, we typically eat a lot more sugars and fatty foods. We do not realize what fruits and vegetables have for us. Natural sweeteners are flowing throughout all kinds of fruits and vegetables. The sweet taste that you find when you bit into an apple is a taste that is very healthy for us to enjoy. Why not put down the fatty bag of chips and choose a light salad before dinner or lunch? Making choices like these will help you get in shape and stay that way. Eating vegetables these days has now become incredibly easy and convenient. It used to be the grab-and-go food was a bag of chips. Now we can easily see that grocery stores are carrying prepackaged and pre-cut fruits and vegetables. This means for a few dollars we can just grab out lunch and go. The same goes for the prepackaged salads that we can now enjoy. Keeping yourself regular is incredibly important. If you do not eat the right foods, you may find that you are a lot more constipated than most. This is because you are not getting enough fiber in your diet. Eating the right amount of vegetables every day is going to help you stay regular and stay healthy. Millions of dollars are spent each year on fast food restaurants that only make you look and feel unhealthy. When you make the switch and start eating fresh fruits and vegetables, you will have a fatter wallet. There is a lot more money than you can save when you decide to start eating healthy. For the most part, you can look at vegetables as a natural way to detoxify your body. There are various antioxidants that have been proven to keep your body up and running. Your immune system will be incredibly strong and you will wake up every morning feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Don't forget to give us a thumb up and tell us what do you think in the comment section. For more info, check the links in the description below. See you next video.